Hello again YouTube, back again with another update video on the Xiaomi Redmi 1S. This time, hey, look at that, it's Marshmallow. Yes, you heard that right, it's Marshmallow CM13. It's made by TheStrix on the XDA developer, so go check it out, and the links below on the XDA developers to install that. So yeah, this is the new Easter egg for the Android version. Look at that, the mascot for the Marshmallow. But now interesting is plus button. Ooh, more players, even more players using the multi-touch. So there you go. It's basically still the same as the old Flappy Bird in the Lollipop builds, but hey, look at that. You can play with your friends if there is no internet available. So yeah, that's definitely pretty interesting. As you can see right there, Android version 6.0 CyanogenMod 13. So let's take a look, shall we? The core functions works like phone, calling, dialer, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera. Yeah, basically what you need for daily driver is all there. Now the dialer, there's slight changes right there. There is no recent calls if you had made some calls right there, like a card, but more it's now in this tab altogether. Doesn't really change that much though. Dialer pretty much the same. Messenger app got a new coat of paint. It looks like the Messenger app in the Play Store, as you can see right there. Pretty much the same. So I think they put that one in there. Okay, so got new icon as well. Got new icon. Browser is still the AOSP browser. Camera definitely works fine, but in this Google camera, the panorama doesn't work really that well because it doesn't really stitch the pictures together. More likely it's just like having all the pictures at the same time. It just doesn't look really that great, but the camera and video basically works just fine, as you can see right there. There you go, it works just fine. HDR sort of works because the difference between the high brightness and low brightness is not really there. I think it's not really that, doesn't work really that well, but flash works, video works, the front facing camera definitely works as well, as you can see right there. Okay, so moving on to another thing about the Marshmallow features is that the doze function on the battery. So now I've been using it for pretty much quite a lot, so I got the screen on time for 2 hours and 43 minutes. I still got 34%. So yeah, battery life has been pretty great for me. And the best thing of all is that when I last used this phone at night, I slept, and look at this, look at the graph. It's completely straight. It doesn't lose any percentage at all when I sleep. It's just really great, you know. Doze mode works brilliantly. So if you're planning to use this on standby for a long time, it is a very nice feature. Now I'm using the Google Now launcher with Google app. Google Now on tap unfortunately didn't work for this first build, so yeah, as you can see right here in the settings, voice, there is Now on tap. I already checked out, but it just doesn't work, probably because of the first build, and this is the first CM for Redmi 1S. Okay, let's see what else. Oh yes, this new notification panel, there is some slight new changes. Do not disturb mode, which is, I think it is more like an improvement from the old priority mode on the Lollipop. Now you can see right there, looks a bit different. You got the ringer for your calls, notification, the media, and for the alarm. But now it got snazzy new animation right there, if you can see it. Okay. Other thing is that there is a system UI tuner. If you have been seeing into Lollipop updates, you hold it and look, the cog actually moves. You let it go and there you go. Congrats, system UI tuner has been added to settings, as you can see right there. Fun for some, but not for all. Got it. You can now change the quick settings. For now I got the cast button. I don't want it because I don't have Chromecast devices. So you see it? It's gone. Very nice. But you have to leave the system UI tuner on. As you can see right here, there is a spanner next to the cog right there. Okay, so moving on, there is slight changes, like there is now a Google app right here. I think it's for the old Google settings app in the app drawer. Now it is right there in the settings. There is new memory section right here. Now instead of showing the real time, it's showing you in hours and on average, really. 3208. The performance on this Marshmallow build is actually pretty good for the first build. So yeah, it's pretty much the same as the CM12. Storage USB now looks a bit different as well. Shows you use of your apps. Explore is going to the file manager. Now apps, there is new permission settings for the Marshmallow, so you can click there. There is app permissions. You can all manage it all, but as you can let me demonstrate it right here. So I got the translate app right here. I went to pictures. There you go. Allow translator to take picture and record video. So you can now decide if certain apps have a permission or not to do that. As you can see right here, record audio, allow, like that. Yeah, definitely very good if you are security conscious about your phone. Now the lock screen does look a bit different. As you can see, the clock and the date and time, now it's all on uppercase now. And also something that I did notice, usually you can slide from every area right here to access to either phone or camera, but now swipe from icon rather than swipe from everything else. So yeah, that's definitely the thing that I did notice there. And also the cut, copy and paste function now actually a lot better than the old Android. So yeah, now you can double tap on it here. The dialog now appears on top of your selection rather than right at the top. So for reachability, that is very good. You can also translate it right away, which is nice. Recent apps looks the same, but now the clear all button is tucked away in the bottom right there. So yeah, the core apps and core features works, like GPS also works. I have tried that out. Camera and Wi-Fi, mobile networks, all works really great. So if you're planning to try out the new Marshmallow from Redmi 1S, it's very great, because it's a shame that Xiaomi did update to MIUI 7, but it's still on KitKat. Well, hey, with the power of the XGN developers, we get Marshmallow built. So yeah, definitely thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to see more videos about updates on phones and technology. So okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.